So welcome, ladies and gentlemen. We are here on a wind delay day today, but so while we're waiting for that, I thought we would talk to Todd as we get started for this upcoming RVing season.
All right.
What you got?
Thank you so much, Sheila. It's going to be a great, amazing RV season. I mean, we've got a lot going on. Yes, we had a wind delay today, but that's okay. That's just part of RV life. You don't want to be driving in those high winds. Now, before we get started, I want to just say thank you to our sponsors. So we've got some amazing sponsors for this season. We've got MoRide, which the name says it all. It's just a better ride. Plus, they got all these accessories. You know, we can't just forget My Financing USA, because My Financing USA finances adventure, and what more adventure is there than the RV life, or getting a UTV or a boat? So, and then I would be remiss if I didn't actually talk about today, hopefully seeing some hawks or some birds flying. They will catch the breeze off the side of that, and that brings me to my next sponsor, Talona Ridge. They have a little bird in their logo, but it's probably one of the finest RV parks that you could possibly stay in. And then last but not least, Bronco Nation. Now, if you're looking for some off-road adventure and going into community and you love that, Bronco Nation is the place that you need to be hanging out. Whew! Man, that's a lot of great sponsors this year. I'm really looking forward to it. Just want to let you know that I checked tire pressure this morning from our Techno RV. They gave us one of those TPMSs from TST, and that is a tire pressure monitoring system. We're rocking about 110 pounds, Sheila, on the cold side. With the heating up of the concrete and the asphalt, we might be rocking 115 to 120 as we drive out on this RV season, and I'm just looking forward to it. Thank you, Techno RV, for that amazing shout out. Now, I do love me a Celsius, but they are not sponsored, but I'm always looking for the next sponsor. So that's a lot going on, Sheila. We're going to have a great time this year in this wonderful Switch It Up Mac Anthem as we hit the road with some of our solar power that we've got rocking with Enduro Power batteries, RV solar connection, and we can't forget Monument Solar with, some amazing ways that you can tilt your RV panels up on top.
That sounds like a crazy lineup for you for the year. What an amazing group of people you're working with.
And I love this new outfit that I got, because this is perfect for driving. I saw that from one of the NASCAR drivers, so you too might want to get you one of these amazing outfits to kick off every drive day for you. But I'm going to fire up the Switch It Up Mac Anthem, and we're going to be hitting the road today. We got about a 5-hour drive with possibly needing some fuel depending on what our tire pressure is on our tires, and maybe a couple restroom breaks, but it might be pushing it to a 6-hour drive. We got to get going, Sheila. We got to go.
Well, now that the wind delay is over, why don't you get us off and started? And that is going to be the official start of this year's RVing season, and we are so excited that you're going to be on the drive with us, and the people around us are never going to talk to us again. And with that, engines are started, off we go for this year's RV season.
All right, let's get this over.
Let's go. The RV season, he has forgotten the RV. Hopefully he will come back for that as we start this year's season. Back at you, folks.